Okay guys, here are what to do before, during, and after a flood.
Before a flood. Number 1. Stay informed. Monitor weather forecasts and warnings. Sign up local emergency alerts.
Number 2. Prepare your home. Elevate the electrical appliances and outlets. Set up cracks and water outlet lines. Install some pumps if needed.
Number 3. Create an emergency kit. Include essentials like water, non-perishable food, first aid, toothbrush, flashlights, batteries, and a still. Pack important equipment, waterproof containers.
Number 4. Plan for evacuation. Know your community's evacuation route and shelters. Plan how to communicate with family.
Secure your belongings. Move valuable items to the higher level. Store outdoor furniture or secure it.
Mo naman ni? Kita naman ni?
During a plan. Number 1. Follow instructions. Evacuate immediately if ordered. Avoid walking or driving through flood waters.
Number 2. Stay safe indoors. Disconnect electrical appliances. Avoid contacting flood water. It may be contaminated.
Number 3. Seek higher ground. If trapped, move to the highest point of your home. Signal for help using flashlight or whistle.
Number 4. Monitor updates. Use a battery-powered radio or phone to stay updated.
After a flood. Number 1. Stay caution. Avoid returning until authorities declare it safe. Watch out for the power lines and stable structures.
Clean and disinfect. Wear protective gears while cleaning. Discard contaminated items and disinfect surfaces.
Number 3. Check utilities. Avoid using electrical appliances until inspected. Report gas leaks or damage utilities immediately.
Seek support. Contact relief agencies for assistance. Look out for signs of stress or trauma and seek emotional support if needed.
Number 5. Document damage. Take photos of property damage for insurance claim.
That's all. Thank you for watching.